Nicotine Plus versus Soulseek 2026. Which one should you use? In this video, I am going to teach you the real differences between Nicotine Plus and Soulseek QT, the two most popular clients for the Soulseek peer-to-peer file sharing network, so you can decide which one is right for you in 2026. If you have been hearing people talk about both of these apps and you are confused about which one to download, stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which client fits your needs. First, let me clear up the biggest misconception. Nicotine Plus and Soulseek QT are not two competing networks. They both connect to the exact same Soulseek network. Think of them like two different web browsers that take you to the same internet. Soulseek QT is the official client built by the creator of Soulseek, Nur Arbel. It is proprietary freeware, meaning it is free to use with no ads and no spyware, but the source code is closed. It is written in C++ using the Qt framework and is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Nicotine Plus, on the other hand, is an unofficial, community-driven client. It is completely free and open source, licensed under GPL v3, and it is written in Python using GTK for its graphical interface. It is also available on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Both clients let you do the same core things, which are searching for files, downloading, uploading, chatting in rooms, and messaging other users. But the experience of using them is quite different, and that is what we are going to break down right now. Let us start with the user interface. Soulseek QT has a functional but admittedly dated-looking interface. It gets the job done, but it can feel cluttered, especially for new users. The layout has not changed dramatically over the years, and some people find it a bit confusing at first. Nicotine Plus, on the other hand, has a more modern and polished interface with better visual organization. It includes quality-of-life improvements like a dark mode toggle that you can quickly switch on and off, improved accessibility features for users who rely on screen readers, and a cleaner tab-based layout that is easier to navigate when you have many searches and conversations open at the same time. Now let us talk about features. This is where Nicotine Plus really starts to shine. Nicotine Plus gives you more granular control over almost everything. It offers advanced search filtering, detailed bandwidth throttling controls, a built-in spam filter plugin that works in both chat rooms and private messages, the ability to set buddy-only shares so you can have certain folders visible only to your trusted contacts, and a wishlist system for automated searching. Soulseek QT has its own set of features including chat rooms, user privileges, and basic search functionality, but it does not offer the same depth of customization. One practical example is that Nicotine Plus lets you view private or locked search results and shared files from Soulseek QT users, giving you visibility into content that the official client might otherwise hide from you. Next up is performance. Soulseek QT recently received an update on April 30th, 2026 that fixed potential crashes, addressed distributed network bugs, and improved garbage collection performance. However, some users have reported that it can slow down over time, especially when you have a large shared library or a long message list. Nicotine Plus tends to handle large libraries more efficiently, and the development team has been actively improving file transfer speeds and fixing performance-related issues across recent updates. The current stable version of Nicotine Plus is 3.3.10, with a newer 3.3.11 release candidate currently in testing as of June 2026. Let us talk about updates and development activity. This is an important factor. Nicotine Plus has a very active development community on GitHub. The team regularly pushes bug fixes, new features, and improvements. You can see the commit history, report issues, contribute translations, or even help with development yourself. Soulseek QT updates are less frequent. Looking at the official changelog, there was an update in April 2026, but before that the previous update was in October 2025 for macOS, and before that was February 2024. So if you prefer software that gets regular attention and quick bug fixes, Nicotine Plus has the edge here. Now what about platform support? Both clients run on Windows, macOS, and Linux. However, Soulseek QT has a slight gap on Linux where the latest app image is still from June 2024, while the Windows and Mac builds are current as of April 2026. Nicotine Plus, on the other hand, has excellent Linux support with stable packages available for Arch Linux, Debian, Fedora, Gentoo, Manjaro, NixOS, OpenBSD, and many other distributions. If you are a Linux user, Nicotine Plus is generally the better choice because of how well maintained those packages are. there is one more thing to mention about privacy and security. Nicotine Plus explicitly states that the development team does not collect any data used or stored by the client. However, since both clients connect to the same Soulseek server, which is operated separately and is proprietary, the same server-side policies apply regardless of which client you use. Also keep in mind that Soulseek is an unencrypted protocol, so it is not designed for secure communication. Your IP address is visible to other users you interact with on the network. Neither client changes that fundamental aspect of how Soulseek works, so which one should you use? Here is my recommendation. If you are a brand new user who just wants to get started quickly with minimal setup and you want the official supported experience, go with Soulseek QT. Download it from slsnet.org, create your account, set your shared folder, and you are good to go. But if you want more control, better customization, a more modern interface with dark mode, active open source development, stronger Linux support, and features like buddy-only shares and spam filtering, then Nicotine Plus is the better choice for you. You can download it from nicotineplus.org and it takes just a few minutes to set up. Now here is your pro tip. No matter which client you choose, the single most important thing you can do to improve your experience on the Soulseek network is to share files back. Many users on the network will restrict your download access if they see you are not sharing anything in return. Aim to share a well-organized library, and you will find that other users are much more willing to let you download from them. The Soulseek community is built on a culture of reciprocity, and the more you give, the more you get. So to quickly recap, Soulseek QT is the official client, simple to use, proprietary, and works great for beginners. Nicotine Plus is the open-source alternative with more features, more frequent updates, better Linux support, and greater customization. Both connect to the same network, so you will have access to the same files and the same community no matter which one you pick. If this video helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons and guides. Drop a comment below and let me know which client you are going with, Nicotine Plus or Soulseek QT, and why. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.